Just for you, drinks.
Okay, I'm just holding.
Yep.
He's fucking watching the stream, bro. Fuck this, bro. This guy. How do you know if they're watching or not? Check their shit right now.
Smoke mid.
It's fucking crappiest. I'm playing a different spot every round, dude. I'm like a peacock. I gotta fly. Alright?
Okay, you got it. I'm playing B.
Wait, pistol, do you doing a 5B?
I'll play,
5B pistol? We push through? Push through?
Yeah, you do it.
Okay. See, this is what this game is about. Oh my god, why'd you stop? Lee, you son of a bitch! Why'd you stop the rush?
Now we're not even doing fine.
What the fuck are you doing, man? I feel like these guys are stream sniping.
Play truck. Oh fuck, get that truck.
One truck?
Get that truck. One truck.
One side. Side and truck.
Inside.
Nice.
Nice. He's sticking it, so just
Stick it.
Yep.
Nice. Get that truck.
Okay. Don't look at that. Don't watch that.
Can we boost your minutes or no?
Oh,
No,
he just
you're
peeked.
good, you're
He
good.
le-
Don't do that.
Here.
One more there. Sunroom.
One useless. He's pushing B man.
Nothing in.
Outside sunroom, running B main right now.
Fork.
Oh no. Fork to be. Oh, nice job.
Nice.
There's a kit right there.
Right.
Oof. That was a little scary.
I
Mo,
can't
you have
kill
10 HP.
anyone.
Why are you holding that angle with 10 HP?
Fucking
2
toxic
kills later?
players.
You gonna come talk to me,
You have
dog?
10 HP.
I don't give a fuck about your teammates, bro. Okay? I'm here to fucking. You don't understand. This is practice for me, man. This is practice. You have a flash for B main?
Yeah, I do.
One B main.
I'm flashing B main, so you can back off.
I can flash your heaven.
Checker.
Call for it.
I'm fall back. One checkers.
Checker's one.
I'm flashing again.
I'm blind.
Flashing again, Mo.
He's in mid.
I'm blind
He's
as
in
fuck,
mid.
man. Why are you guys still flashing? Yo, how many. I shouldn't have went. God damn it. How many fucking flashes were there? I got flashed by you and him twice. Back to back. Why?
Wait for the flash.
I did, and then you flashed. He said I'm flashing, and then you're like flashing again while I'm already committed.
Why aren't you? Why are you playing heaven?
Bro, I fucking should have just stayed. Why do you tell me don't spawn? Like, stop fucking micromanaging me. I'm the star of the team. I could have gotten 3 more kills there if you just fucking let me just go back up heaven. Bro, I got 2 kills. I ran back, and then I was in a repeat heaven with a molly. Like, oh, it would have been perfect.
Oh mid. 2 or 3 on mid.
One squeaky lit. There's 2 A main.
Under B.
Hit this down. I dropped it
Bomb
down.
up.
No, they're both there. Fucking A.
Sure.
Stacks. They flashed me. I'm full blind. Yeah, he's out. 3. One truck.
Oh my god.
Out A.
He's pushing truck wall.
We might have to save this, boys.
Waiting for you guys. Always mid. Garage.
Middle dead.
We saving this, Mo? Or we want to go for it?
Yeah, I'm gonna probably save.
You know the old Battlefield Bad Company?
Yeah.
Whatever. You know, I don't know if you ever played that, but that was like the best Battlefield ever.
We can boost it
Man,
then.
grab. Fucking first person smokes, second person mollies.
You can push through. I might push through this. Come here.
Come on, Amy, right now.
Bomb down.
Nice.
Defuse.
Fucking getting it, Mo. Fucking getting it, bud.
Checkers.
One checkers already. I'm dead. Fuck, man. My bad, bro. I should have been with you.
Close front.
Got ramp, got ramp.
Sight, last one.
Good job, man. Get my odd if you can. Fuck the AK, homie. Hell yeah.
Player, right?
No, 2. I fucked myself. I fucked myself, bro.
You're saving
Oh
mid.
my god.
Calm that you killed the boost guy.
I'm mid.
He's still boost.
Can we just give a bomb?
Did you get mid main?
No.
Mid main hurt. Last guy, I don't know.
A main highway.
Peek it, Jason. Peek it. Mid together. 3, 2, 1.
I'm blind.
Fuck yeah, get my odd. Fuck, never mind.
Yeah, dog, fuck.
You had an AK shot, dog. Fuck yeah, dog.
Forking default.
He's squeaky, bro.
I'm top of red.
1v1.
Oh my god.
He's clueless.
What the fuck just happened? What the hell did I just why is that guy walking with his back to the smoke like it's a wall?
I don't know.
The worst part is Lee went back for the op. I don't think that was the right play, but it worked somehow.
Nice. Fork.
I hate my life.
You should have just
That
jumped
was
off with
very
the off
bad
because
timing, Jason.
I think there's just one guy
Yes,
making
one
noise.
on room.
I'm leaving.
Call for a flash, Lee.
Oh no, I missed. Fuck!
Yeah, flash.
Under
Under blue.
Oh no. Lee, you had it after the first flash. Why'd you ask for the second one? Pushing
I
what?
think.
Okay,
Flanking,
he's just watching this. One's in squeaky.
I'm liking, hold on.
Default. Yeah.
Can you wait? I got flanking right now. One's mid.
One's at red. Where?
Sight.
Maybe front red.
Okay.
Nice.
Shit.
And that's all she
Why
wrote
didn't
for
you
the...
reload mid? Anyone heard that?
Jason, do you stream 720p?
We're out.
Dang it.
Out. Highway one.
One dead.
Oh no.
Mid.
Fucking suck. Oh no.
Sight.
Nice shot. Jason freaking R. Help! 10 health B! 10 health B!
Closely.
Oh my god, dude. AK down quad.
Highway.
I'm sorry.
My game is so messed up.
I blame Jason for that round. It's alright.
Close.
I fucking suck. This is all you, bro. I've seen you do worse. It's the longest flash ever.
How?
Oh, there it is.
Default.
No, he's... Fuck, man. Roll in, boys. Come on. Sight. Come on, boys. What are you guys doing, man? Oh my god. Boys, I'm already up the site. You guys just gotta fucking go, man. I might have fell back.
I'm calling my boost right now.
Come on, boys. No, we gotta...
I get aim punched.
There's two of them at B. They're so bad, man. We gotta all just go B together and slow.
Smoking spawn now. Molly it now.
Heaven dead. Hoo hoo hoo.
Tree.
Wait, why'd you pick the tree? Why'd you... Oh,
No, smoked off.
no, bro. He said he's smoking it now.
I'm gonna flash snacks. Nice, Mo. Flashing snacks behind you. Ah, useless. Or Sunny. Right side, Mo. Nice.
Nice shot.
When you got it,
I can drop
Can someone
another.
drop?
you got it. I can drop.
Two heaven. One tree. Let's go heaven.
Heaven.
Let's go heaven. I'm peeking. I'm flashing.
Oh, I fucking suck.
Okay.
You're saving, bro.
Oh man. It's CTRL energy because it's like controlling your keyboard.
But
He's at
short.
Trot. Smoked it out while I'm zoomed in. Smoked it up. Got him. Here.
That's an audacious spot.
Hey, main. Fuck me, dude.
Nice.
nice.
Tree.
Nice.
Him.
Ooh.
Oh no, I fucking suck.
Nice, bro.
It's better for you guys.
Together, 3, 2, 1, now! I should have hit that second shot, dude. I think he made it checkers.
Could be mid. I'm blind. Could be close mid.
I'm pushed up squeaky again.
One day.
Last guy's at one's at B. One's at B.
On the boost. Oh my god, disrespect.
ESE or Face It. Honestly, dude, like they're both the same at this point. I feel like Face It has. The other day I played like with ESEA, you hardly ever encounter a cheater, like a blatant cheater. It's because it's they're anti-cheat, even though it's old, it works, and like I never. Can I get an op for an AK? Jerb.
Drop.
In ESEA, you don't get as many cheaters as in Face It.
Drop. Can't move.
Man, but I couldn't fucking duck. I'm so bad. Run up A now, guys.
Yo, Grub, can you
Go,
switch
Jinx.
quad right
Go,
now?
Jinx. Go A. Go A now. Go A now. He's fighting. Oh, man.
Z in front.
Nice.
No.
Nice.
Dead.
Nice, good trade.
One more. Where?
Oh, vent.
Dead.
Nice. 2v2.
2v2.
Side's clear.
Plant the bomb, homie. It could be coming from behind us. They're not here. Heaven! What the fuck is... You didn't molly Heaven? How did he molly Heaven? How? Bro, what kind of fucking... Are you fucking crazy? Why would you molly deep at the bottom of Heaven and not the top part? We could have cleared him off the bat. It would have made him move. We had him... You made me think all of Heaven was clear. That's why, man.
My bad.
God, Jason, these are the people, man. What? So that's it? Sorry is okay then? It's okay because he said sorry?
Nice. I'm mauling truck.
I don't know where that truck. What's the study?
What the fuck?
Nice. 2v2. One more truck.
Nice try.
Nice try.
Oh man, I honestly think mid to B is our play every round.
Never be me.
I'm blind.
Highway.
Dude, yours how deep is that foot? That's not a cross smoke what you threw, man.
I threw 2 of them. Oh,
Why'd you guys throw a deep? What is that? That cross smoke landed in fucking highway. I just called, bro. Just throw it off the wall. You don't have to be running when you throw it. You guys know the cross smoke.
Who do that shit?
I don't know. It went all the way to fucking highway, blocked me. I couldn't do shit.
Up through 2.
But why? Why deep? B.
Nice. I'm looking. Nice, Mo.
Checkers, fuck.
Checker dead. I'm in a molly.
He's coming at A.
Bomb's here.
One truck.
I gotta get out of
I'm in
here.
vans.
He's here.
Oh, Jinx, right side.
I liked him. Checkers. Or a B.
Wait, what?
A-pop. They're trying to A-pop.
I'm leaving.
Okay, you tried it?
I'm leaving middle. It could be middle.
Oh, they needed
Out
me.
A. Out A, guys. Out A.
Middle. Behind me.
One's highway.
Highway.
One's A. Nice try.
He's fucking watching the stream, bro. Fuck this, bro. This guy. How do you know if they're watching or not? Check their shit right now.
Smoke mid.
It's fucking
Well, no,
crappy.
he clears me.
He's just holding the.
These fuckers are watching your stream, bro. That's why this hub is flawed. Cause you got all these fucking little nerds jacking off to your stream while they play.
B man.
Oh my god. He missed the jump.
the fuck is
He
this?
missed. How'd you miss the fucking jump, bro? He missed the jump on headshot. Literally, I could make that jump in real life. That's how small the jump is.